Hello and अस्सलाम वालेकुम everyone, welcome back to my channel. Another week, another video. और इस वीडियो में I am doing something that I've only ever dreamed कि मैं फिल्म करूँगी. I am so happy अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह कि हम लोग उम्रा पे जा रहे हैं. We're going next week and I can't believe it still. It's like a pinch me moment. I was making a list of what to pack. I naturally went on to YouTube and I wanted to see what other people were packing, but sadly I couldn't really find like a very detailed video on what to pack, and I'm sure a lot of you are traveling to Umrah for the first time, and if you've stumbled upon this video, then this video I hope will help you in making a checklist to see कि आपको क्या चीजें pack करनी है that you can take with you for Umrah. So first things first, clothes. So मर्दों के लिए ihram की requirement है and it's pretty straightforward. You can go out and buy an ihram. For the ladies there is no specific dress code, मगर requirement ये है कि जो आपके कपड़े हों वो loose हों, fitting ना हों और comfortable हो and आपकी पूरी body को cover करें. तो उसके लिए जो है बहुत से लोग अबाया वगैरह लेते हैं. I do not wear abayas, तो obviously मुझे abayas खरीदने पड़े, and honestly abaya shopping is a whole world. So I have a few that I'm going to show you. Mostly bought my abayas online because I think it was just convenient. As other online dekhe and I found some really good brands selling some amazing items. So the first one that I have here is from Harir and ये काफ़ी एरी बड़ा सा अबाया है and I love it. Like आप नीचे कुछ भी पहने and you can just throw this on and it's going to be super comfortable. Some other brands that you can check out for abayas are Hijabi Heaven, the Hijab Company, there's Black Camel and a lot more. I'm going to leave all their names in the description जहाँ से मैंने अबाया खरीदे हैं and you can check them out if you want. Second thing is hijab. जहाँ पे अबाया मिल रहा है वहाँ पे आपको हिजाब भी मिल जाएगा and there's a huge variety कि कौन से हिजाब हैं. Georgette hijab, chiffon hijab, metallic hijabs. There's just so many hijabs that you can buy and I feel like it can get a little overwhelming. Up to you कि आप कितने लेके जाना चाहते हैं. Then I want to talk about the quantity of items that you should be taking because if you don't wear hijab and abaya वैसे then I think इतने ज़्यादा खरीदने की कोई फ़ायदा नहीं है. We're going for 12 days and मैंने लिए हैं 6 abaya and matching hijab. So basically I will be using one abaya twice. Second thing जो बहुत important है and I feel like this should have been first is travel documents and it's very necessary कि आप अपने visa printouts रखें. Keep actual like physical printouts of your visa. Sorry नीचे बहुत शोर हो रहा है. Keep physical printouts because I feel like that would be important. For instance अगर आपको authorities को कहीं पे अपने visas दिखाने हो या उनको stamp करने हो, so it's better if you have a physical copy. Apart from that, you know, the usual, just keep everything handy on your phone, your hotel bookings, your passport, national identity card. Apart from that आपने insurance जो ली हुई है, your tickets वगैरह. I don't think apart from that you would need anything else, but उसके बाद जो थर्ड चीज़ आती है वो is also on your phone and that is आप कुरान की ऐप डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं. You can download a few other applications जहाँ पे मुख्तलिफ सूरह वगैरह होती हैं. So just you know have to keep that handy कि आपको physically कोई चीज़ कैरी ना करनी पड़े. I personally feel कि not carrying something physically and then उसको फिर बैग को कहीं रखना कि उसमें कुरान है और वो आप ना रख सकें, तो फ़ोन में होना ये applications I feel like is super convenient and super easy. What to wear on your feet? Now I asked a couple of people कि सबसे ज़्यादा comfortable चीज़ क्या है, क्योंकि obviously उम्रा में आपको काफ़ी चलना होता है. Everybody said कि the most comfortable thing is your sneakers and that is what I am packing. Apart from that I am also packing some slippers के जो easily on and off हो सकें and आपको बार बार अपने जूते ना पहनने पड़े. I'm keeping some excess socks because कुछ लोगों को पाँव में रगड़ वगैरह भी लगती है, तो अगर आपने socks पहने हो your feet will automatically be protected. I know मस्जिद का फ्लोर काफ़ी साफ होगा, I'm sure, but जब इतने ज़्यादा लोग होते हैं तो कहीं ना कहीं से कुछ ना कुछ कोई पाँव पे चढ़ जाए या कुछ हो जाए, तो just to protect yourself I think socks are a good idea. Next is toiletries. इसमें आपका toothbrush, hairbrush, face wash, mouthwash, shampoo, conditioner, body lotion आ जाता है. This is just like stuff that you would pack for any travel and I feel like you should do that for Umrah as well. A lot of people do recommend कि आप unscented सामान ले लें because scent जो है आप नहीं इस्तेमाल कर सकते जब आप ihram में होते हैं, but I feel like once you are out of the ihram you can just use your normal stuff. But if you are very picky and very finicky and you want to be super proper, then you can check out unscented lotions and creams. Just type in your Google search unscented lotion creams for Hajj and Umrah एंड आई एम श्योर आपको बहुत सारे सर्चेज मिल जाएंगे. these products are very easily available. Then comes the first aid kit. आप जा रहे हैं अल्लाह के घर, एंड अल्लाह के घर आते हैं बेशुमार लोग, पूरी दुनिया से लोग आते हैं, coming from different cultures, different backgrounds and different hygienes and who are exposed to different sorts of बीमारी. हमने ये सुना है कि जो लोग हज उम्रा पे जाते हैं वो बीमार होते हैं वहाँ पे, और you know nobody wants to get sick जब वो चाहते हैं कि वो सारा वक्त इबादत कर रहे हो. तो I personally would not want that to happen. तो इसके लिए I would recommend कि आप एक फ्लू शॉट लगवा लें. Also recommend कि आप अपने साथ कुछ मास्क लेके जाएं, बिकॉज जितना रश होता है उतना बेहतर है कि आप अपने आप को प्रोटेक्ट करें. Prepare a first aid kit for yourself जिसमें मुख्तलिफ किस्म की दवाइयाँ हों. I would say कि आप पहले एक डॉक्टर को विजिट करें and then they can write you the दवाइयाँ that you can be taking with you, जिसमें आपकी like बुखार की दवाई, नज़ले, खांसी and all that good stuff. And finally I would say कि एक छोटा सा carry on bag अपने साथ पैक करें, so that when you have to take your shoes off you don't have to carry them, you can just simply throw them in your bag. या फिर अगर आप पानी की बोतल रखना चाहते हैं अपने साथ, you can throw that in your bag. फ़ोन आप उसमें डाल दें, wallet, purses, whatever, like पैसे वगैरह, and just keep it. आगे भी रख सकते हैं because it's just safe. एक वाक़या हमारे फादर इन लॉ के साथ हुआ था कि when he went for Umrah last year and वहाँ पे उनकी like जेब कटी थी. So that is something that can happen anywhere, anytime, like you never know. So just be careful, keep your stuff close to you so that आप इन सारी चीज़ों से avoid कर सकें. कभी कभार ये भी होता है कि गिर जाए या कुछ हो या misplace हो जाए. So it's always nice to carry a small little bag that you can keep with you at all times, और उसमें अपनी सारी ज़रूरी की चीज़ें डाल दें so that आपके हाथ खाली हों and you can just think about praying and not have to worry about losing your stuff.
This was everything that I could think of जो कि आपको पैक करनी होती है उम्रे या हज के लिए. If there's anything I missed, let me know in the comments down below, और ताकि और लोगों को हेल्प हो जाए. एक और चीज़, do download the Nusuk app before going. I have a separate video up कि आप किस तरह से राजुल जना का अपॉइंटमेंट बुक कर सकते हैं. So if you want you can check it out. मैं उसको लिंक कर दूँगी कहीं स्क्रीन पे. So yeah, thank you so much for watching and I will see you soon in my next week's video.